Good evening, everyone. Is it really required for a companies to use the softwares to capture their budget and utilize the system for capturing their day-to-day transactions? So let's assume the companies are not having any software; they're using the Excels. So let us discuss about the advantages of using the software and advantages of using the Excel. So in this aspect, if any company is using the Excels, let's take a scenario. Tim Cook from Apple is trying to check the total sales happened in India and Middle East as an instance. So they used to collect, if there is no software, they used to collect all the Excels across the states in the country, in the Middle East and India. After collecting the Excels, they used to consolidate all the Excels. They have to manually do some formulas, and the transactions would be like different kinds of transactions. Like in India, it would be in INR. In Middle East, it would be in dirhams or reals, and it would be like in different countries would be having different currencies. They have to do the currency conversion. They have to do the manual calculation of P&Ls, gross sales, expenses, everything they have to do manually. And the data would be like a very bunch of silos. It would be very complicated for a business to understand the silos of Excel and make a simple report. Let's assume if there is a software, what are the advantages they would be having? So the first thing is like seamless data. On that point, the transactions captured across the globe, the automation would be happen in such a way that the data would be captured and the systems can able to show the live data, and the security would be good because Excels would be having security concerns. If there is any Excel which is distributed in the email, that would cause the security issues and data breach issues. And also the corporate controllers would be very happy to understand and take the right decisions in a proper manner, because the data would be very genuine, and there will be no data would be very authentic, and like they can understand in a simple view because the data would be live and seamless. It would be very helpful for any CFOs with the help of softwares to take the decisions instead of spending a lot of time in the Excels for the calculation purpose and all. They would be able to use the softwares. They would be relying on the softwares, and they have the ready-made data, seamless data, and they can take the decisions if the sales are less, whether they have to keep any offers, or if the sales are good, how do they utilize that sales, this thing. So in my view, utilizing a software for any company is very much required, so that it would be helpful for the company to take better insights. Thank you.